Yes, I'm on live. And today we are going to talk about Davido and Chioma. First of all, I'm going to apologize for Davido's fan or Chioma's fan. You people are amazing. Davido is wonderful. Chioma is wonderful. But I can't stop this truth that I want to say. Um, I'm having this push. If it will land me in trouble, let it be my truth. It's still landing me in trouble because his fan will definitely come after me, but I don't care. I like bitter truth. I like when people tell me the truth. And one might say, what is your business? It is my business because I'm a Nigerian. And Chioma happens to be an Igbo man. Of course, I also do listen to Davido's song. So recently, I was going through one or two videos. So I saw a video. I paid attention, and I heard some of the stories, the situation that they are going through, and I decided I would say one or two things. And direct to the point is, I will say three things to Chioma because I'm also happy for them. Everyone or many people knows about them. So them getting together to know each other, they have been making the youths proud, you know. But recently I heard that they are no more together, or allegedly that they are separated. One may not conclude, but I wouldn't, since it's social media, it costs me nothing to say this. If eventually it's true, and this video happens to get to you, Chioma, the truth is bitter, but the truth is this. Go back and, finish what you started. Go back to so-called your husband or your friend or your spouse or your fiancé, whoever you think you have started this journey with. Go back and finish that which you started. That is just my proposal, because you started this journey and baby has shown up. Baby don't show. Where you want run go? When you know you are not serious, or when you know you are still guessing, you don't even sure if the marriage will work, and then you got pregnant, and now you have baby, and you are running away or you are separating from him. The future may not be brighter. It might not be better than what you are, where you are now. If you separate, I'm not in support of if you're having problem, you should stay. No, but this one, we did not hear there was an issue. And we also saw some clips where he apologized for whatsoever he has done. He has apologized to you. And all you did was to still stay away. And from all indication, there was no more relationship going on between two of you. That means you are now free again. There is no life in that. There is no life. If nobody around you have told you, or maybe your fans are not telling you, maybe one day you may get this video. I am not in support of what you are doing. It's not the best. I may not be your father or your brother and so on, but I am an Igbo man, and I heard you are Igbo. If you are an Igbo person, this is not our culture. You will start and you don't finish. Not that something happened, and whatsoever happened, he has apologized, and you don't want to go back. Second point for me is that you keep on, living your life, but it seems you did not finish your university again. You did not finish your degree. You keep on posing, and I've not heard that you are a musician somewhere. You are this. There is no way I have seen you building your talent. In other words, whether you are building or not, I want to encourage you to use this opportunity that you think you have money or you are swimming in cash. Build your talent. There is a talent. There are talents in you. Whatsoever you think you have now will definitely got finished. It will finish within a short time and you will be poor. You will, even if nobody, the history tells it all. Many people have been rich before and they become poor later. So if you can build your talent, I didn't say beauty, talent. Your beauty lies in your talent. You keep on posing, doing social media things. It's a deceit. Forget it. No mind all this social media beauty without talent. If you have something to do on social media, maybe you are, entertaining people with your talent, comedy, your, even if you are a makeup artist, since I heard you are a kitchen chef, start to do it. Let it be more known than you coming to pose on the social media and begin to showcase yourself. Oh, that is not helping anyone. It's not good at all. So the second and the third one will be, you must not go from fry pan to fire. I saw some posts that indicate you're already having another friends or you friends, and within a short time now you will get pregnant for them again. Maybe no go tey, you will come carry belle, born for another person. You will come be senior baby mama, high class baby mama. Maybe people don't want to tell you this. I go tell you, no go fit do me anything. If this video reach you, you go listen to Ram, try to hear the video and repent. And for the video, you make you go inside house, carry one, marry. No be say I go marry. You go marry, you know they finish. Carry one person, marry. Even if not the first baby mama, carry and marry am, sit down for house. No be say every time Nigerian music pop star, best girlfriend, the daughter, he celebrate here, he celebrate there. Sit one place. This will not be a good figure for you. We are promoting you wherever we are as Nigerian, but when we see that all this thing is becoming a culture, another person will rise up tomorrow and go after your precepts. Carry one, weigh them, or do everything finish, put them for house. If the person is going out, we know say this person is divorcing from his or her marriage. So, but for my sister, I'm more concerned about her. Igbo people, I am a mood to her. We don't do like this. If we marry, we marry. The thing will go pursue you. Come on, no, now money will no day. Even if na the thing where people they suspect saying do, you did not catch him handed. Even if you did, he apologized. Where are you running to? Where you want to say they go? So when I saw the whole situation, I said, me too, I go chook mouth put, because now social media we dey. I will chook mouth put. If you eventually hear this video, now me talk am. Change. You are not getting younger, you are getting older. Now you are already second hand. You already have baby. You think you are beautiful. Wait for 5 years, 7 years time, you will understand that you are not beautiful. Davido will even carry someone younger than you. So you better accept the apology and go back and repair your home. If you know gay papa, you go, but you get papa, you get parents. Are you not listening to them? Because I'm sure they must have been telling you this truth. So if you are not hearing it, maybe because people on social media are only fanning you, your fans, hailing you. I will tell you the truth. So I know you may not see this video, but if you happen to see it, that is why I'm doing it. I'm not saying it for people who are on social media or people who are watching my things. I'm saying it for maybe one day you will see them And then it will be that it's not our lifestyle to be moving from one man to the other. You start this one, you don't finish. So that is just my own. It's a bitter truth, and it may not sound well for you or your fans, but it sounds well in my ear. Tell me to respond to me if you happen to see this. But for some of our friends, from some of our beloved ones who may see this attitude going on between Davido or Chioma, it's not a way of life. Negative or positive, it doesn't suit anyone. This life is just good. Settle your life and leave it like that. If there is anything that will make you quit from your relationship, let it be a tangible something. If you are running away from the relationship you have now, where are you going? The man you are following now, is he better than where you are living? It's not. So I'm no. So Chioma bye. Tebe ka iji na-akpọ unu were ele gị gụọ eze gị ọnụ, mara that na ndị be anyị anaghị emegheri, anaghị efere gaa n'elu, efere gaa n'ala, na-akpuo nọrọ ala ka ị nwee ike zụọ your child with a good home upbringing. Ọ bụghị ịpụtazi ịzawa baby mama ka ife ji eme, and for no cause. Ọ bụrụ ya bụ na the boy achọrọ gị, know that you are refusing. And that is why I said, I must say this. It's a gist, but it's in form of caution or bitter truth, which is unusual. I'm not good at this, but I have to do it. So remain blessed and see. I'm hoping to see the good news from you. Bye.